Will it work? I don't know. I need to charge it up. It's gone off. I have put one of these in my daughter's phone before. Cheap Chinese. Screen replacement with tools and everything. 15 quid. Into an iPhone 11. As you can see, it's cracked. It's not even coming on. Oh, it's all gone. Oh, will it work? Let's give it a test drive. Comes with tools for 15 quid off eBay. What you can see is what you get. That screen. This is just some isopropyl cleaner just to get sticky residue off. One of these is stuck to screen and inside the phone. I'm looking for my heat gun. I don't know what I've done with it. Ashes here. Might be a bit hot this one, like, but it'll do. Oops. Right. I can't even get my heat gun up. Yeah. Tight. Tight like a tiger. Right. No doubt these will be a pain to get out of this super small X-head little torques. Two of them to get out. If I can get them out. Might not be right tool, this one. We'll try another tool, shall we? See what else is in this little bag. Might be this one, actually. Yeah, that's it. That's put inside, actually, that one. My hands are minging. Can't see. Screw out. One out. Put it aside, and these screens can be a bit of a pain to get out. I mean, if it's broke anyway, so you might as well just rip it out. I don't even think a suction cup will get on it. Last time I had to use the Stanley knife blade. This thing's, Jesus, that's stuck more than normal. I don't want to come off that thing. Ew. Not 2 minutes, let's get it over. Sorry, phone, the screen's just come on. Oh my days. I've never known one to be stuck like that before. That were really stuck. But the screen just came on then and went back off. It had a green line in it. And get to come on. You know what? This is the screen before this, I think. It's already loose. I feel it loose in corners. I wonder if it's had a new screen already in past. I don't think it has this. Why is that loose? I'm not too sure. So let's get the sucker thing on it. If I can find it. Yeah, I see it. Spider's stuck to it. Little cheap suction cup thing. It does come with one of these, like, but let's give this a try actually. Wet it. Stick it. Oh, might come off this. Trying to. I'm hoping it's right screen. Should be. Oh yeah, the screen's shot. Ugh. actual full screen's parting out. What's happening there? Why is it doing that? Oh, that's parted out. Come with only half of it. How do we get this out then? See if we can just prise it out now. Its sticky's off, so yeah, it's just a cheap fix if it's yes. Probably come out easier than a normal one would, to be fair. You can see all sticky stuff all over it. Make sure you don't snap these ribbons. Be a bit careful with ribbons on this side. I mean, I could cut these ribbons off of this screen, but just be careful. I'll keep them on there. Yeah, how's that? There's a cat on my garage roof or something. Someone's running around that roof. I can't remember which ones you have to take out now, but there's I think it's just them ones there. That plate. We'll give it a try. So look. Make sure you don't lose your screws. Well, that one was pretty loose. Really tiny. It's worn out. That small, can't even get a screwdriver. Am I using it to make a screwdriver? Am I? This is try thing. Little three-way screw thing. That's not doing nothing. There's another one. I might have to get a new screwdriver because that is garbage. Here's what come with kit. That don't seem to be doing nothing. Little chuffing. Might have to sharpen that up. I need my glasses as well. I can't see nothing here. Yeah, that don't seem to be doing nothing. Look at that again. But that one I just got out. That came out with it. Look, wrong screwdriver, wrong tools. Bringing wrong screw out. So it seems to be working like that. So I don't know why. This is a star drive, and it's bringing them tri screws out. They're really small one. Yeah, it's bringing them all out. Cool. Saved a bit of an hassle. Right, this plate off. Let's have a look. Little plate comes off. Stick it to the side. Right. These ribbons pop out off of there. There, just pull off. Is this one what pops off now? Yep, that one pops off. That's your phone screen off. Simple as that. Right. I think there's a few parts you've got to swap over on this. Yeah, this here. Swap this over to your new screen. So, not losing on your screws. That junk out of the way. You've got to get this off, this sticky stuff. Because kit comes with a new one, so let's see if try and get it as clean as possible really for a new one. Seems to be peeling off alright. Coming straight off. Quick scrape. Don't like to be peeled though, so you have to scrape it. I think it's an iPhone 11 this, I can't remember. Sure it's iPhone 11. Scrape off in a bit. Hopefully it works, touch wood. Right, this comes off. This sheet thing. Sheet. Take that off. So what screws these are? Pauses. Is that a posi? No. In fact, am I using it right tool here? Is that a posi? Yep, I'm using it wrong chuffing tool. So what am I on? Oh, it was right tool. It's not star drive. That's star drive. I was using it right tri tool to start with. That won't posi. No wonder it won't working. Hang on my glasses on. See posi brings these straight out. Got posi, we're on there. So there's 3 pauses on this. So look how hard this comes out. This is showing off here. No, that don't. Have a little screw here. Looks like one of them try ones. Dashed away. Why is that one in and there? So that one's fell out. Little plate things fell out there. That clip's supposed to come out of there. Yep, the little clip there. A few little bits, niggly bits you have to get out. I think that's it for old screen. Hey, this, we don't want this on here. We have to pop that out because we've got a new one. So that pulls out. This one's a bit stuck in. You have to prise it out. Just be careful. It's off. Easy as that. We don't need that. Get your new screen lined up. That goes there. That sits in that gap there. I mean, you can't really go wrong. Everything's got a little spot for it to go. That don't seem to want to sit straight there. Something's bent somewhere. Yeah, something don't want to sit right on this new one. So let's have a look. Something don't want to sit right here. I don't know if that's going all the way down and a bit fidgety. Oh, that's sat flush. Is that sat in right? Yeah, that's setting right. Yeah, something's out there. Some screws are out somewhere. It's pushing it to one side. But what's pushing it to one side? That there. Shoving it over a slight little bit. We'll have to just make it work. We have to make it work. Oh, get back here. Yeah, this little try one needs to go back in first. Get that over there. Because this is going to be a pain. In fact, I'll do that last because it's quite a bit hard. So let's bang these pauses back in. Get lined up. Line your screws up. They've gone in alright anyway. It can't be that much yet. Hopefully it works. Cheap fix for 15 quid, and then you've got tools. So next time if you need to buy one, you can get them even cheaper because you don't need tools. I'm saying. Right, this is quite a bit hard, this. I don't think we need this little metal bit there because it's already on phone. You can see it's quite out of line. The little thing there. I think I'm just going to bend it over because I don't think it really needs screw light, but if I can get it in, I'll get it in. That's lined up. It's only a little bit of pressure. It's not like I'm going to break out. It's just slight pressure. Little try screw. Get that in. Yep. That's it. Went straight in. Nip all the rest of your screws up. I only did them slack. It'll be good. So if it works, I'll be this little thing sits at top as well. You've got to put that back over there somewhere. It sits right on that and just pops in somewhere. I can't remember how it sits. I think it just shoves down back and clips in. Holds it sending like the pressure. And get it on. Struggling to get it on. Let's get it on. Yeah, it just pops over like a little. Can't really put it on wrong, to be fair. Try and get it in the right place. It sits like that. That screen fully done. Now it's just cleaning this off. Off Halloween. I don't know, 18 minutes. Let's see if we can get it done in less than 30. Got you cleaning your rubber off. Going off pretty easy, this rubber stuff, but it is a bit manky. Like bogies or something. Suitcase in his truck. Try not to bend out. These little things. Like I'm doing there. Basically just scraping away. Just get it. If you like stuff like this, go and look at my other videos and subscribe as well because I ain't got a lot of subscribers. Oh, look at that, that's coming off nice. If you like alt projects and all that type of stuff, I'll be going some good projects going soon. So you want to keep an heads up. Leave a comment if you want to see any projects. I like welding, making stuff. Oh, I thought that was going to come off in one then. It's that off. There's this last side strip down here to do. Oops. You still watch them things here. It's like I ain't needed E-gun on this. I mean, you normally eat your phone up right edge of the screen just to get it off. Tool's a bit crap. Try to. This would be better. It's flying off now. Just a bit on there. Get that off. I don't know what they're charging in shop for this doing. I'm guessing probably £100 and they'll put you a cheap screen in. I'd have thought. Not sure. Not sure. They'll be charging you £100 and putting in your £10 screen in, and you can't tell the difference. They run just as good. Basically, feel the same. Nearly got it all off now. It's the last corner. Come on, get out of there. This sticky stuff's a bit of a pain to put back on though. Not the best way to do it. I might just stick it straight to this now. That's all cleaned up. Oops. Tiny little bit there. Only an old phone anyway now, so it doesn't really matter. But even iPhone 12s, I reckon, will be probably very similar screens and just as cheap, I reckon. This is stick screen to the backing peels off. I'll find it. This can be a bit of a pain to put on this stuff. Look, it's a bit bigger. Oops, pull it a bit far down there. I'm saying it's a bit of a pain just to get it in position. Kind of in position. Just the right edge, press it in. Make sure it's stuck the right edge. It will lift back up in places when you peel this backing off, but just take your time with it. Once you've got your screen on, it'll load down anyway. Get the edge a quick clean. Bit of crud there. Try and get it just started in corner somewhere so you can just get this plastic off and get it moving. Might be best off using this, what it comes with. Oh, your SIM card extractor. Let's have a look. See how good she's stuck. Oh, she's stuck. Take your time with it. Fault. pops up, just press it back down with your yes, bang on, that's come out perfect. Check for any eye points. Oh, I can't see any. Nope. Stuck good, that. Make sure all pins are in the right place. These little lug things. These little things, make sure they're all still bent up. All looks good to me. Come on, work, you thing. Work. All you gotta do is press these back down now, these ribbons. Best off holding phone like this because they're can be a bit tight. And be super careful of these. Feel it into place. That's it, they just click in. Make sure you rub it, just rub your finger on it and make sure it sits in a position where you feel like, yeah, that's definitely in. Don't just shove onto it, because you will knacker them up. That's it. Nice little click. But, bit of conversation in here. Let's plug it in, see if it comes on. Not forced to work yet. Oh, she's on. Charging. Too bad that in 27 minutes. And I could have done that a lot faster, to be fair. Probably 15 minutes if I'd have rushed it a little bit. Obviously didn't want to break it. Hopefully touch works though. Screen's working, so come on, you little beauty. It's getting cold. I mean, it's a lock garage up. Hopefully you can tackle it yourself. So it's not an hard job. If you can change your plug socket in your house, change your socket, the plug on your extension lead or something, I think you can change one of these. Just take your time. I mean, there's some super little screws. I mean, that's kind of end of that. You can't even see end of it because it's that small. It gets smaller and smaller. Really hard to see. Like a needle. So don't be losing your screws, and try not to mess your threads up on your screws. That's easy done. Don't know how much power's in this phone. It must be really flat. I don't want to stick it down. I want to power it on to make sure it digitizer's working on it. Cheap fix if it works. I think it was $14.99 with all tools. I've got all these tools. I just bought them again. I don't know why. And I could have got screen for about 12 quid with art tools. Or 11 quid, I can't remember what it is. But they always come in handy, these little screwdrivers and stuff. Like gaming stuff and phones or watches. And it comes with a little guitar pick or something there, whatever that is. These will probably end up in it, but screwdrivers, I'll probably keep them. Cotton buds, I never even use that. I mean, you could probably use just some deodorant, like alcohol, aftershave. You don't really need that. And your phone will smell nice. Whoop, shit, yep, your phone will smell nice as well then. I mean, if I didn't have that for the 3D printers, I'd have used aftershave and it'd have worked perfect. Because I've used stuff like that before on stuff. Let's see if it powers on. Yeah, it's really flat, this phone. Might just go for it and... In fact, let's screw this on anyway. Got this plate to put on. Careful your ribbons here. Hold it up against something like that. Put your little plate back on. These I think they'll try ones, won't they? So we'll look out, see. Yeah. Super small. Not used to stuff like this though, I mean, from messing with watches and stuff. I mean, these are quite big to watches. Make sure they're all lined up, screw one down, nip it down a little bit. 4 more. That don't want to go in for some reason. Lined up. Yep. Yeah. Pain. Pain is real. The struggle is real, I mean. The screw's a bit scabby back. Try another screw. Don't feel too clever, that screw. Yeah, that one went straight in. I think that screw's a bit funky. Bit funky. That one in there. Yep, straight in. I think it's just that screw playing up. Don't want to go in right. That one in there. In there. Get that one back up. Drag it back out. You don't want to go in the screw, what's up with that? Going in square. No. Something just beeped. Oh, she's on. Yep. Touch screen's working. It all seems to be working, look. Can't remember what the code is now. Where is it now? Can't remember. How do I use this? Oh, there. Yeah, that seems to be working. Well, it's not bad for, let's say 15 quid then, is it? I don't like this screw though, why it's not sitting. I might just do away with the screw. I'd rather lose a screw than... It don't look right clever, that screw won't end. Let me try that one in there. That really don't want to go in there. I think it's just that screw, I think it's shot. Yep, went straight in. It's a screw. Something wrong with this screw here. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. Something wrong with the screw. This screw here. Yeah, I can feel it. You just don't want to. I think the end's got a bit of damage to it. The one, it was pretty stiff to get out, to be honest. Wait with this one. Don't really want to be re-threading it. But we'll try and get it in. Square. Right, we've kind of got it in. It's on a bit of an angle, but I think I'm gonna leave it at. I don't think it needs it. It's just an extra screw. It's only on that plate. I can't see it being no mega. Right, see if she clip backs together, huh? Without breaking it. Right. So, that's it. Oops. This ID. No. Okay, it's fully working. Works perfect. So my kid will be happy. Two last screws down here. Them long ones we need to put back in bottom, stop it popping off. Are these them try ones? I can't. Yeah, it seems to be screwed in with them. No. Let's try this one. No, I think it is this one. These were a bit of a pain in the ass to get back in on the other phone I did, if I remember right. Oops, I'll put it down. Let me know what I've done with the other one. Might be missing another screw. These don't want to go in neither. Yeah. What we done with the other one? That's it, I think I'm losing screws now. And that one I've got a dressing gown on, brushing everything around. They're right in front of me somewhere. Can't see it on there. That's that dodgy little screw there. I couldn't go it then. Right. I can remember this were a pain in the ass, one of these on my other kid's phone. Little, let's try this one. Don't want to screw in that one. I don't know why. No, I don't want to go in these screws, don't know why. Don't know what's happening there. Try this other screw. Might just be this cheaper screen. Might have to heat it up and just get sticky stuff stuck good. No. I don't know why they're not going in. Well. I'll try and get them in a bit. But yeah, you can see, fully working. I'll get them screws in. They just might just be have a look on here. There's these little lugs here. It screws through the phone case and it sits in them. Like that. Guessing it's not be lined up right. I just need to put a bit of pressure on screen. I'll lift screen a slight little bit. Without lifting it though, I probably just won't shove in. If you like my videos, subscribe and keep an heads up for other material. Thank you and bye.